is so silly. Ladies, this video is for you if you struggle to find the perfect exercises to target those glutes and get that juicy pump in the trunk. Today I'm going to go through those favorite exercises to do. Growing muscle is hard. There's a lot of factors to consider in growing muscle. There is genetics, there's nutrition. The most obvious choice is going to be what exercises to do at the gym to target that certain area of the body. The glutes is composed of 3 muscles: the gluteus maximus, the minimus, and the medius. We need to know how to target each section of the glutes. Follow along as I take you through my workout that I have been currently doing. I'm a lot darker. I am just coming back from a nice vacation to St. Thomas. If you haven't seen my vacation video yet, I'll post it up here somewhere on the screen for you to take a look at that one as well. I had the most incredible time. We had amazing food, but is a story for another day. And if you want to watch what I ate and what I did on my vacation, like I said, I'll post that video up here on the screen. Let's get into my favorite glute exercises. Without further ado, first things first, we're going to go ahead and start with some glute activation exercises. We're doing a variation of a one-leg deadlift, just sliding your hand down your thigh past your knee, nice and slow and controlled, and squeezing at the top. I'm going to do 2 sets of this for 15 repetitions, and then moving on. This one is very deceiving because you think that it won't really activate your glutes until you're about the 15th repetition in. It's like a variation of the clam. It's a very short range of motion. As you can see, bottom leg is straight out. The top leg, you have your knee bent, but you want to put your toes on the top of your heels and just open up just to the top range and come back down. We're going to do 30 repetitions, 2 sets on this one as well. And then we're going to do some squats. And we're going to do about 15 repetitions, 2 sets as well of these, just body weight squats, just to get the hips, the knees, and the quads all warmed up. And then we're going to do a little bit of a dynamic stretch here in the inner thighs, pushing out with the elbows. And that is it. We're going to start our first warm-up set of one leg hip thrust. Main thing that you want to remember is that you want to find a platform that is low enough for you and your height. The bottom of your shoulder blades should be on that platform. And then you should be lifting right up from the hips, keeping the chin tucked in and making sure that your knee 90-degree angle. Decide whether you want to do a one-leg hip thrust or a full variation of the hip thrust itself. For today's workout, I decided to stay with the one leg. We are now going to jump into one of my favorite exercises for the glutes, and this is the Romanian deadlift. I am using 50 pounds on each arm here, and I'm using straps because my grip strength is not that great. Main pointers that I would recommend you taking into consideration is keeping the shoulders pulled back, keeping the core engaged, and then just sliding the weight down your legs, keeping it nice and close to the body, and keeping a straight line from the back all the way up to your neck. Pushing your hips back as if you were trying to touch the wall behind you with your glutes. Oh, how I've come to love this machine. Everybody gives it such a bad rep, but I actually think the Smith machine is great for a lot of exercises, especially if you lack a little bit of balance and stability. This one is going to be great for that. Here I am doing a squat, but with a 1 1/4 rep is going to force you to use the glute muscles a little bit more with that little bit of a 1/4 rep. That is it for today's video. Girlies, I really hope that you enjoyed my workout and that you got something out of this video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Also, let me know what you like to see next. Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.